In this video, we will continue making the Soldier vs Dragon turn-based combat game. Now, we come to step 4, build soldier behavior. When the dragon's turn starts, we must first show the 4 buttons, then wait for the player to click exactly one. Next, store the choice in soldier actions. Afterwards, hide the buttons. Then, execute the chosen effect, either attack or defense. Finally, broadcast dragon turns afterwards, unless the game ends. Now, click the soldier sprites, go to the events category, and drag the When I Receive Soldier Turn block. Then go to variables, drag Set Soldier Defense to 0, and change the value to none to clear any previous defense. Next, go to looks, drag the Say Hello for the 2 seconds block, and change the message to My Turn to indicate it is the soldier turn. Finally, return to Events and add a Broadcast Show Buttons block to control the display of the buttons. Next, we have to make the script for each button. We will make the buttons show during the soldier's turn. Click on the Physical Attack button sprite, click Events, and add When I Receive Show Buttons. Go to Control category and add the If block. Go to Operators, drag the Equals block, then drag the variable turn into the operator and set it equal to soldier. Go back to Looks and add the Show block inside the If block. We then copy this script to the other buttons. Now, all the buttons will appear during the soldier's turn. Next, for each button, add a click handler that sets soldier actions and notifies the soldiers when clicked. Go back to the Physical Attack button, go to Events, and drag When this sprite click. Add an If block. Go to Operators, drag the Equal block, drag the variable turn into the operators, and set it equal to soldier. Go to Variables, add Set Soldier Actions to Feast Attack, then go to Events and add Broadcast Soldier Choose. Now, copy this to Magic Attack button and change Feast Attack to Magic Attack. Copy it again to the Physical Block button and change Magic Block to Feast Block. Copy it one more time and change it to Magic Block. Now, we want to hide the buttons after we choose a soldier actions. Add When I Receive Soldier Choose, and then hide. Drag this script to the other 3 buttons so that all 4 buttons hide after soldier makes a choice. Now, we click the soldier sprite. We will make the script for the soldier handling what we have chosen after clicking the button. If the player chooses a block, we set soldier defense and immediately pass the control to the dragon. Now, go to Events, add When I Receive Soldier Choose. Go to Control, add an If-Else block. Go to Operator, add the Equal block, drag the variable soldier actions to it and set it equal to Feast block. Add Set Soldier Defense to Feast block. Broadcast Dragon Turn. Drag an If-Else block and put it inside the else part. Drag the Equal operator to If-Else block and drag the variable soldier actions to it. Then set it equal to magic block. Add set soldier defense to magic block. Then broadcast dragon turn. Now, when choose physical or magic defense, the soldier can block the corresponding type of damage and then pass the turn to dragon. Next, to let the soldier deal damage to the dragon, if it's an attack, we assign a base damage. We check whether the dragon was already blocking that damage type. If so, damage equals 0. Otherwise, damage equals base damage. Subtract from dragon health and clear the dragon's defense. We then add a block set dragon actions to 0 in the else part. Now, we need to create a new variable named base damage and set base damage to 0. Add an if-else block. Add the equal operator and drag the variable's soldier actions and set it equal to feast attack. Add set base damage to 17. Now, the physical attack can deal 17 damage. Add an if block under the else part. Add the operator and drag the variable soldier action. Then, set it equals to magic attack. Add set base damage to 0. This time, I set the damage to 12, so when we click on magic attack, the soldier can deal 12 damage to the dragon. Then, we need a new variable called actual damage. This is the damage that we will actually deal to the dragon. Unselect the actual damage so it will not appear on the screen. Drag the set actual damage to 0 here. Add an if-else block. Add the AND operator and set soldier actions equals to feast attack. And set dragon defense equals to feast block. And set actual damage equals to 0. Add another if-else block under the else part. We click the AND operator and press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy it. Then, drag it to the if-else block and change the feast wordings to magic. Add set actual damage to 0 in the if part, and add set actual damage to base damage under the else part. So now, if the dragon is in physical block, it blocks the dragon physical damage, same as magic attack. Then, add the block change dragon health by 0 minus actual damage. We can do this by adding the operator minus and set it to 0 minus actual damage. Now, if the dragon cannot block the soldier's attack, the soldier can deal damage to the dragon. Add set dragon defense to none for resetting the dragon's defense. Next, we have to announce the damage dealt. Go to logs and drag say hello for 2 seconds. Here, we need two join operators. Then change the message to I dealt and damage. Remember to add a spacebar after the word dealt and before the word damage. Then drag the variable actual damage to the middle part. If dragon health smaller or below 0, broadcast game over. Otherwise, broadcast dragon turn. We add the block if else. Add the OR operator set dragon health equals to 0 or dragon health below 0. Add broadcast game over under the if part. And add broadcast dragon turn under the else part. Now, the soldier behavior is finished. In the next video, we will finish the dragon logic. If you like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.